guys, we made a protective film solution. Fortunately, Mark 720, the red one, caught on fire on the way here. Inside the building with all the Bugattis. So a lot of different Bugattis in here, a lot of other supercars out front. Before we even get to the exotic cars, we got to take a look at all the super and hyper cars. So all Bugattis, next level. We're not there yet. Maybe soon. We'll see what happens with your help. Leg room, check that out. Got my Bobo. Not happy. Nice cool drink. Hot day. Beautiful cars. Now you got some of the rarest Porsches in here. It's like every room is just next level, bro.
Okay. Don't tell them about it.
What's the vibes? What's the vibes? What we doing? What we doing? You got the fastest car here or what? You gonna prove it? All right, let's go. Let's go. Hey, Dan, say what up to Straight Up Driven. Dan, that's Tony.
Nice to meet you.
Straight up these nuts.
Respect for the fastest car on the lot.
I believe it. Respectfully. So I'm guessing 2,000 horsepower?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Guys, that means at least 2,000 horsepower. At least 2,000 horsepower.
Nah. Can you get it, Dan? I'll do the dance.
What dance?
You gotta do the dance. Come on,
Yeah,
come on, Tony.
I
Come on,
can't do
Tony.
that.
Come on,
You know, I'm trying. It's Skinny, I know you can do it better, all right? All right, relax. Hey, bro. All right, guys. So we got the Lamborghini STOs. This is the VF engineering one, so this one's supercharged. STO. We got the Toyota Supra, 2JZ engine, and the Lamborghini Gallardo. Everybody came out for today. Well, we got the Huracan Performante. Of course, we got Peter's 1016 Huracan twin turbo with that blue interior. I love with the forged carbon. Peter's kits and his body kits are just ridiculous. It's incredible. There's definitely going to be some 1016 parts on the Lambos and some of the future cars. You out, bro? That's good. This is the 1016 all carbon wide body. The roof carbon, door skins over it, everything's carbon, full wide body from 1016. Incredible kit. One of my favorites. I love this wide body. It emulates, the side emulates a Bugatti in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. So for finding car events, guys, to bring your car out, and it doesn't matter, there's car events every week, whether you have an import, a domestic, or an exotic. This is just an exotic event this weekend, but normally on the internet, but if you guys go on Straight Up Driven, we'll start posting the events that we're gonna be at. And we do all events. We do the events that are open to all cars. We do the events that are just exotics. So just go on there if you want to come out, see some of these cars in person. And if we're straight up drivens there, our cars are always available for you guys to sit in and check out. We don't care, it's just another car to us.